So all this scam started from this TV, guys. So hey guys, welcome to the new video on my channel, and happy Makar Sankranti to you, and also happy Lohri to you. I hope you enjoyed this festival and you had fun. So all this scam which I'm going to tell you about started from the TV which I just showed you. Yeah, that's called Dabba TV. And so basically how this scam started was that my aunt, just for fun, told me that what you do, you just take a picture of this TV and push it on OLX. So I took it seriously. I really did it. I posted the TV's photo on OLX and listed in for selling. And then just after 15 minutes I got a message from someone that was an unknown person. Not even the username was coming, and that person was literally telling me that I need this TV urgently, and please, this is my contact number, please contact me, I'm ready to pay you 5,500 rupees for this TV which I just show you. Like, can you even imagine 5,500 rupees for this TV? In just 7 to 8,000 we get 32-inch LED TVs, and this was like 1990s TV. And that TV he was telling, so I was like, okay, you take it. But I then asked three of my family members, my uncle, my aunt, and my father. They told, okay, you sell it. If he is buying, you sell it. And I also thought that, yeah, it is a good price he is offering to me. I told, okay, you want to buy, you can buy. So I contacted him on his number, and he told, yes sir, I'm really in a need of this TV and I really want it, so can you please give it to me. So I asked him, where do you live? So he told, in my locality only he lives. So I told, okay, it's okay. He told that 5,500 rupees I am giving from my side, are you okay for that? And I was like, okay, you buy it, bro. So he actually told that he will be sending he will be sending one person who he know. He was telling that he's my boy. So I thought maybe he would be a 20 years old person, but I was okay. So then he started asking me, like, how will you take the payment? So I told him I can take cash, I can take phone pay, Google Pay, Paytm, anything you want to give me, but I don't really need the money. So that time I told this, my aunt was also with me. Like, she was also listening to the call. She told me, but cash is preferable. So I also told him whatever she was telling, I was telling to him. So I told cash is preferable. So he told that okay, cash is preferable, but I don't have the cash right now. I can Google Pay, Paytm, or Phone Pay you the money. So my aunt told me, no, 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 you tell him that we want cash only. Phone Pay, Google Pay are like they are sometime not working. So I told him that, but he was telling, but the boy who I'm sending, he doesn't have the cash. He told me that I will send you the money in Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm, anything, and you withdraw that money from the bank. So I told him that no, but cash is preferable from my side. You can do one thing, you withdraw money 5,500 rupees from the bank and tell that boy to give me. You can come to my house. So he told, okay. And then he told, like, today is 14th of Jan, and today only, like 2 hours ago, this scam was like, I just finished this scam. I told I will not talk to this person anymore. I have all those chats and his photograph, I have everything, but I will not show it to you, but I'll just telling you. So basically that person told I will send him by 2 o'clock, and right now it is 3 o'clock actually. So we told him that I'm not giving you the address right now of my house. What you do, you can, like, before sending that boy to this house, you just call me up, I will say you the address that time. But he was like, no, 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 you tell me, oh, Google Pay or Paytm. I was like, a person who, like, needs a TV like that, he's ready to pay 5,500 rupees. He's not even asking for the address. And I was like, you do so. And I was like, why do you don't want the address? So he like ended I ended the call. Then again I called him up and told my aunt, you talk to him. So she told him that sir, we only accept cash. Paytm, Google Pay, sometime it is faulty and we wouldn't be able to um, receive money from that. So he told okay, and told that by 2 o'clock he will before sending the boy, he will call me up and then I will tell you the address. Again he called me and told me, sir, Google Pay number, can you send me? I will transfer the money now. And I was like, you don't know my address, you don't know me. He didn't even ask my name. And then he was telling that, sir, you give me a Google Pay or Paytm number, and I will send you a small amount like 10 rupees, 20 rupees. And if you receive that money, you just give me a proof that you have received that money, and I will send you the whole amount. At that moment of time, when I ended the call, my aunt told me that this thing was like, she also suffered this thing. What she told, that there was a payment of about 10k rupees. I don't remember, but it was a big amount. So she told that the person who was giving to her the amount told, first he sent 1 rupee to her in her account, and told that, did you receive money for verification? He told for verification, but it was not a verification, it was a scam like this only. So he told for verification, and she told, yeah, I received it. Then he told that you must have received an OTP in your phone number, and she told, yes, I have received. So can you tell me? That person told. So she told, no, why do you want the OTP? No one has ever asked me for the OTP while transferring money. And then she understood that this was a scam, and this thing she told to me also. And around then this all happened. Then around 1:45, that person called me up, sir, please send me your Google Pay number. And I was like, why do you don't want the address? I told, okay, I will send. Do you know the address? I told, okay, I'm sending in WhatsApp. I had this WhatsApp number. And he told, okay, sir, I'm coming to your house. I told, do you even know my address? You just even know that this locality I'm living. You don't know my address. Which house will you go? He told, then he ended the call. Then I called him up again. So, do you know the address? So he was like, no, you send me in WhatsApp as well as the Google Pay number. And then I told him at that point of time that I told you I'm not using Google Pay and anything like that. I am using cash only. And he told, no, I don't have any cash. If you want to accept money by Google Pay or Paytm, you accept, otherwise no cash I have. That boy doesn't have any cash. And I told this to my aunt. She told, okay, that's good. And this was a full scam. So this video I just made to make you aware, who who is the person. A genuine person will never offer 5,500 bucks for just that small TV, that too of 1990s. We have just, it is like working but not properly. And then we understood it was a scam, and I told you all my story. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and share it as much as you can, because everyone needs to be aware of all these scams. These will happen, these can happen around you, this can happen with you. So I just made this video to make you aware of this kind of scam. Like, you will not even think that this scam can happen with OLX, but this scam is a scam. It can happen anywhere. So this was my story about scam 2021, and thank you for watching this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.